The elevate contour command allows you to elevate contours based on their interval and simply by picking them. This is a case here where I have a PDF that I imported the vector data, and it doesn't come with the elevation or the 3D data, so we need to elevate this. So I'm going to turn off the PDF image just to make it easier. And on this pond, you can see here that I have looks like 66, 67, 68, from the bottom of the pond moving up. So I have 1 foot interval contours. So to run this command, it's on the data prep tab, and it's simply the elevate contour, the contour command here. And here I can set the interval. So if I know, like I am here, I'm going in an interval of 1, and I'm going in the up direction. I can also select the down direction, and I can increment after each station. So here it's going to ask me for my current elevation. So I'm going to type in 66, and then you basically just pick the contour line. So I can come here and pick this contour, pick this one, and this one, and this one. And you can see with my line snaps on, it's showing what the elevation is, as well as elevating that contour for me as well. So if I want to now go to the next one, I can continue doing this and go to this one, this one, this one. This one should be 73, and the next one should be 74. So rather quickly you can see that I can elevate my contours using the elevate contour command.